Welcome back, Flare community. Today we're going to talk about my take on CanaryX. I'm honestly surprised that no one else is talking about this topic. I feel like it is my responsibility as a prominent figure to help protect members of the Flare community. This is just my personal thought process when assessing the project. I am not launching an attack on the project, nor am I saying anything mentioned in this video is something that they plan to do. Now, before we proceed, and before a war breaks out in the comments, please acknowledge that the scenario I am about to run through is purely hypothetical. So let's jump in. We start on November the 25th at the CanaryX Twitter account, with their mention of a new asset, CanaryX, ticker symbol CNYX. The only use case they initially have for this token is to receive 11% of all transactions, distributed to the holders and derived from the transfer fees. Sounds great, right? Especially if you're getting them for free. As they mention below, the more you hold, the more you will receive. On paper, everyone is winning. Everyone except the people who have to actually buy the token. Let me explain. As an owner of this token, especially since you got it for free, you will likely be inclined to hold it to benefit from the one and only use case, generating fees from transfers. Now you have to ask yourself, who's going to transfer this token? They will receive a 11% reduction in value instantly. After the free tokens have been distributed via clever referral programs and viral advertising, the party really gets started. If this token is listed on a decentralized exchange, people will have the option to actually buy it. Those with large amounts can start cashing in a portion of their free tokens. Indeed, they will lose 11%, which is distributed to the holders, but that does not matter. It's all profit considering this asset was received for free. Because of these newly generated fees, word gets out of a promising new token offering a very good return. This is where existing holders benefit at the expense of the new buyers. With each new buyer, holders accrue new profits, and if you got them for free, this may seem like the best thing since sliced bread. New users are also happy because they're getting a share of any subsequent users which join the platform. A viral wave hits. Everyone is euphoric, and all the people that got in early are boasting about how incredible the returns are. More people join in, and the cycle continues on an exponential path until a specific moment. This is the moment that the largest holders pull the plug. They sell into the euphoria which has provided adequate buy orders and sufficient liquidity. The price drops. New investors are underwater. The OG holders sell and get any profits they can, slowly realizing that they've been an accessory to this unfortunate event by promoting a project which started with ill intentions. Now, as I mentioned at the start of this video, this was a purely hypothetical scenario. However, it's a scenario which could potentially happen. I wish the team well, and it appears they have since decided to explore a more focused use case, creating a website, creating a white paper, creating a roadmap, etc. These are all promising starts. For me personally, I will not be participating in this unless details of a real use case emerge, and as for now, all referral posts on the Flare community Discord channel will be deleted and users will be warned. My intention is to protect every single member of the Flare community Discord family. So some may say that this is a step too far, but this is the decision that I have made. Stay safe out there, and until next time, I'm out.
Mission Control, we have liftoff.